Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about them other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna be doing I'm sorry if I'm low, but like your girl is kind of tired. But today video is sponsored by Nadula hair, and I'm about to install the China Bang wig, but like I want to do like what Ari had. Ari had like, I think it was crimp. She had the China Bang and then she had like the half up half down with the crimps, and I want to do that. Since it's already bangs, I could just not do that part, thank God. But everything else I gotta do, so yeah, I've got to bleach the knots. I think I should bleach the knots. The last time I got my hair done, it was like by professionals twice, so no, I forgot I had to do all this extra steps. I'm about to just bleach the knots. Actually, yeah, I gotta bleach the knots because I'm gonna have it half up down. I think this is a 13 by 4. I don't think it's a 13 by 6. Maybe it is. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna bleach it and come back. I'm gonna try not to dye the bangs too much. To bleach the hair, I take, if you watch my previous videos, that's what I use. I really don't remember, but I'll be back when I do that. Okay. Guys, I'm so mad. We have the quarantine going on right now, and I just ran out of my tinted lace spray. And my wig cap is too far back. Why did I cut that? They're saying I ain't the baddest in the mother. I'd rather keep it real with Charm. Should I cut this a little bit?
Yeah, because you killing me.
I can't see.
Yeah, it's obvious.
Michaela, I can see. It looks better now. Guys, I cut the bang or whatever. Don't mind the background. That's Michaela on the phone. But this, I don't know if this is HD lace. I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, and I kind of cut this like off. Like I think I cut the lace with the hair off. So don't look at that. I don't feel like this because I like this. Not so thick, but it's not working. Okay, now I think it's even because before it was like this one side was like kind of longer. Okay guys, I'm putting some makeup and I'll probably come back. But alright guys, I'll crimp it on camera probably, and then I'm gonna do makeup off camera and I'll be back to show you guys the full look. Because that doesn't look just because I already had the crimps. Okay, now okay. But no, I'll be back. Like you can see from this side that the lace is really good though. It's giving very much scalp vibes, giving very much just my hair. But this side I kind of messed it up, but it still looks cute though. Oh, this is giving very much Chung Hui. Sorry guys. Anywho, so this is the finishing look. Hold on, let me show you guys the wait, y'all can't see the fullness. Alright guys, so I'm supposed to crimp it.
Gotcha.
Should I crimp it?
No. I'm
done with the hair and everything. I look so anyways. Okay. Alright guys, so I finished Alright guys, so I finished the hair and everything. I'm out of background because Michaela's on FaceTime and I'm on FaceTime, so it's like the background noise is from mom. You guys wanna know what the dress is from? The dress is from MTO Apparel. So
and that's on what?
And that's on P.
Thank you very much.
Alright, but anyways, so here's the dress. It has a little slit. I don't know how long this hair is. I think it's like, I want to say maybe 30 inches. I don't know, but I did my makeup and everything so you guys could see. I did the pink underline, like waterline for the first time. I'm about to crimp my hair, but then I don't know yet. I'm going to see. So this is the finishing look. Ooh. I see myself in bangs and mad long. This is different, but I'm only going to have this hair for like 5 days, so. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. We got Icy. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Ain't nothing with a chick that bad. I ain't worried about that.